Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to clear all cache files in Windows 11. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. This method can be done on Windows 11 and Windows 10, but here in my case I will use my Windows 10, but it can also run as the same on Windows 11. Now you're going to ask, why should I delete or clear the cache files? The answer is, when you clear or delete the cache files, this will make your computer runs faster. And to do that, let's jump directly into the steps. First, you should go to this search bar right here, then type run, or simply you can press on the Windows button plus the R button. Then it will show you this window right here. Now here in this window, you should type pre-fetch. Then click on OK. Now here, as you can see, it will ask you for the permission. Click on continue. Now here, as you can see, you can find many files in this folder. All you have to do now is to click on any one of these files, then Control A and click on Shift plus delete, then click on OK. And when you click on Shift and delete, you delete these files permanently. Click on Shift delete, then click on yes. Now, after deleting all the files in the first folder, now we should make the same steps for all the folders that we are going to open right now. Click on Windows plus R again, then now type temp, then click on OK. Then choose continue, and here, as you can see, you have another folder with many cache files. As you can see, click on one of these files, then Control plus A to select all these files, then Shift delete and click on yes. Now to get the upcoming folder, click on Windows plus R, then type %temp %, then click on OK. And here, as you can see, it will show you another folder. Just do the same steps. Choose one of these folders, click Control plus A, then Shift delete. And when you Shift delete all these files, it may show you some files that cannot be deleted. So all you have to do is to choose skip and choose this option right here. Do this for all the files selected with the same issue. Then click on skip. So these files that are not deleted, it won't do any problem in our steps. Now the final step is to click on the Windows key plus the R key. Now you're going to type clean mgr, then click on OK. It will show you this window right here, and by default it will be selected on the C drive. Click on OK, then it will show you this window right here. Now all you have to do is to check all these files right here, then click on OK, then click on delete files. And by this way, you will clear all the junk on your PC, and your PC will run faster. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.